Hey YouTube friends, Nick here with Nick's Lawn Care. We're running behind today. We've been working in the rain, running behind on the job period. This side we had to remove all leaves. Same here. You see Cody in the background. He's still hauling cans of leaves out. They're so wet we can't blow them. It's a big bed here. Still got to do some shrub trimming. Yeah, the mower's been our pusher on leaf piles till it won't push no more. I just want to show y'all what's going on today. Hadn't made one in a while due to weather. And today you just had to get done. But just keep following along here today and stay to the end and you get to see the end result. You see how bad it is here. Yes, we do have permission to dump on the property. Since the dump is 45 minutes away and they don't want to pay to have it bagged. All right, I'll talk to you in a little bit. Hey YouTube, it's me Nick again. Sorry about the being so long. It is 6 p.m. now. And we're just finishing up. Gotta do just a touch of blowing here in just a second. This is the end result. We've been here since 8:30 a.m. We spread about 170 cubic foot of mulch and probably 2.5 tons of mulch. And we have moved at least that, if not double that, in leaves. I'm sorry I didn't get able to get updates done sooner. The client project managers come by and I'm not able to show them, and they were here for a while on scene. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully the next one will be longer. Y'all have a good one.